Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Lectalks YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the third program of Java practical. The practical is write a Java program that takes a number as input and prints its multiplication table up to 10. So we will take this input from the keyboard and after that this multiplication table will be calculated with the help of for loop. So first of all, let's move to the notepad. So I will open it, the search box, and here I can directly search notepad and open it. That I will write the program import space java dot lang dot asterisk semicolon, again import space java dot util dot star semicolon. Here you see in previous practicals we have used java.lang.asterisk, that means lang package was used. In this time I am using util package because by using util package I can use the scanner class. With the help of scanner class we can give input from the keyboard to the system. So that's why we are using util package. So now as Expt-3 bracket closing curly bracket. So within that I will write the main method click static with bracket and parenthesis string args. So main method curly bracket of main method, then it's the closing curly bracket. Within this, whatever we will write, that will be executed. So after that, I would like to enter a number from the keyboard. For that, I'm writing system dot out dot ln in double quotation enter a number alone. So to enter a number from the keyboard, we have already used a package, that is util package. So uh, by using util package, within that package, we will use the scanner class. So to use the scanner class, I will write scanner space sc. So sc is an object of scanner class, which will hold to new scanner in bracket system dot means I will this statement says to give input from the keyboard to the system. So after that, I will declare a variable int num is equal to sc dot next semicolon. So to give an integer value, I will have to write next int. Here you see I is capital. Uh, as we are writing the program in notepad, so we have to type everything, but in IDs, just like IntelliJ, NetBeans, we have there are some automatically auto suggestions will come and we can directly give it. So uh, then we will, in this statement we can enter a value from the keyboard and it will be stored in the memory. So after that let me write another statement by using system.out.ln multiplication table is multiplication table of, because the value is norm, multiplication table of norm plus double quotation start is semicolon. So after that, I will use another system.out.ln, so another line, semicolon, slide. We can make it small, we can make it large depending upon our requirement. So this next system.out.println, next after that we would like to use the for loop. After that we would like to use the for loop. I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than equal to 10 semicolon I plus plus, this is close, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. So here you see inside the for loop I will use system dot out dot print ln within bracket and like norm, then plus in double quotation asterisk. Actually I want to write a number into the value of I is equal to the output, that means the multiplication. So norm multiplied by I plus double quotation, within double quotation I kept equal to, then after plus, within bracket norm asterisk I bracket end semicolon. Okay, again system dot out dot ln in double quotation and another line semicolon. Here you see this line, each time this line will be printed, that means it will separate the multiplications of for different values of I. It will separate the multiplications, hence it will create a multiplication table. So okay, so now my program is complete. Let's save it and execute it in command prompt. So I think this program can be understood by everybody. Okay, now file, save as. So I want to save it in the name of the class name. Class name is Expt-3. You see here Expt-3 dot Java. Then enter. Now the program is saved. Expt-3 dot Java. And next let's move to the command prompt. Okay, now the command prompt is open. cd slash, let's move to C drive. Now inside the C drive I have stored my program in the Java lab folder. So let's go to Java Lab, cd space Java Lab, then enter. So now I have entered into that folder. Now let's see what are there in that folder. So you see 7 files are there. So out of 7 files, experiment1 dot class, experiment1 dot Java. This is the first experiment source code. This is the bytecode. And experiment2 dot Java, experiment2 dot class. This is the source code. This is the bytecode. And similarly, for experiment, another another source code is there, table, and table dot class. This is the source code. This is the bytecode. And here you see for experiment 3, only experiment3 dot Java is there, but no bytecode has been yet created because we have not compiled this source code. That's why it has not yet been created. So let's clear the script. Java C. We will compile the program Expt-3 dot Java. So if there will be any error, it will show the errors. Otherwise, it will compile successfully, and we can now run the program or execute the program. For executing the program, we have to write Java space ex. So it is asking enter a number. So I will enter a number from the keyboard. So from the keyboard, as I have declared scanner class, and with the help of util package, so I can enter a value from the keyboard. So I'm entering 2. Now enter. Here you can see the multiplication table of 2 is 2 asterisk 1, 2, 2 asterisk 2, 4, 2 asterisk 3, 6. Similarly, 2 asterisk 10, 20. In this way, the multiplication table has been created for the value of 2. So let's move to enter for another value. So for 5, I'm entering. Here you see the multiplication table of 5 for another Java. Suppose I'm entering 10. Here you see the multiplication table of 10. Here you can see the multiplication table of 10 is, this is the multiplication table. Okay. In this way, we can do any type of multiplication table with the help of Java program. And if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.